Uno, dos, tres.
Welcome to EA Sports, live coverage of the Scottish Cup semi-final.
Now time for the teams to show what they're made of, and here we go.
Oh, I can't wait for it. The semi-final is...
Good challenge here. Wolf. He's a natural dribbler. But, you know, if it's offside, it's offside.
Yeah, and they only get one chance at it, and more often than not, they do get pretty close to being right.
Wolf. Possession. Wolf. But he got the ball, the defender, in the wide position. Robertson. Wolf. Well, the teammate's making a run into space. Robertson. Wolf. Flood. Come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Robertson. He's controlling the play here. His teammates just borrow the ball for a few moments and then give it back to the main man. Niall McGinn. Wolf. It's good vision to be able to... Wolf. So it's half-time, and who's going to get to the final is going to be decided in the second half today. Now Brown. Flood. Smith. Supporting player alongside. It's not really going to get the better of him from that range, especially when he can see it all the way. Wolf. Smith. Well, this attack got a bit of menace to it. Wolf. Key moment. It could work for them, it could work against them, this change. Wolf. And the board shows 3 added minutes. It's a decent challenge by the opponent. To Robertson. We go on into extra time. It's underway. He read it and cut it out. Wolf. Great chance. Oh! That's a fantastic goal.
And they took a chance, and they've got the reward. This goes to show, Martin, keep on going till the last minute, and you might just get your reward, and they have here, it seems.
We've had the first period of extra time. Wolf. It's looking good, this move.
He's back 4.
A wasted ball from this fella today. On target with his pass again. One more opportunity to get an equaliser. There goes the final whistle. The old saying goes, they never get remembered, the losing semi-finalists.